If you want to create custom cutouts, reveal objects, or make clean masked shapes in CapCut, the pen tool is one of the most useful features you can learn. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the pen tool for masking in CapCut, step by step, so you can make precise, straight-edged masks without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, select the clip you want to work on. Go to your timeline and left-click the video clip you want to mask. This is important because CapCut needs the clip selected before the mask controls will appear. If nothing is selected, you won't see the right editing options. Next, look over to the top right properties panel. Once your clip is selected, click the video tab if you're not already on it. Inside the video settings, find the mask option and click it. This is where CapCut keeps all the masking tools, including the built-in shapes and the custom pen tool. Now choose the pen icon, also known as the custom shape option. When you click it, your mouse cursor will change into a pen nib inside the preview window. That tells you CapCut is ready for you to start drawing your custom mask path. Here's the key part. If you want straight lines, you need to click once for each point. Start by placing your first anchor point with a single click. Then move your mouse to the next spot and click again to create the next point. CapCut will connect those points with a straight edge. Keep repeating that process around the area you want to mask. A very important tip here is not to click and drag. If you drag the mouse instead of clicking, CapCut will create Bezier curves and rounded lines instead of crisp straight edges. So for clean masking shapes, just click once, move, and click again. That gives you full control over the outline. As you continue plotting points, trace the shape you want to cut out or reveal. You can make simple geometric shapes, angled edges, or more detailed custom outlines depending on your project. Take your time and make sure each anchor point is placed carefully because the accuracy of your mask depends on those clicks. Once you've gone all the way around the shape, you need to close the mask. To do that, click back onto your very first anchor point. As soon as you close the path, CapCut will instantly complete the mask and cut out the shape for you. At that point, your custom masked area is created and ready to use. From there, you can review the result in the preview window and make sure the cutout looks correct. If needed, you can always adjust the points and refine the shape until it matches exactly what you want. This is especially useful for masking text, isolating a subject, creating split-screen effects, or building creative transitions. So the full process is simple. Select your clip, open the mask menu, choose the pen tool, click to place straight anchor points, avoid dragging, and close the path by clicking the first point again. Once you get used to it, this becomes a fast and powerful way to make custom masks in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.